Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this under the sink organizer and storage. It includes 2 packs of this storage organizer and it's an L shape. So this is the way that you will be finding it once that you do the unboxing, and it is really easy to put together. This is everything that it includes, and also of course the manual of instructions. As you can see here, we have a lot of things under the sink, and we can fix this and organize this with this. So let's just start putting it together. Here you will be attaching these tubes. The material is made of hard plastic, so it looks really resistant, and then you will be putting these on top of these 2 tubes. You will be doing the same exact thing for the other one. Now you will be also adding on top of these like little holes on the corners. You will be securing them with these attachments right here. So it will be one for each corner. And then it also comes with a few hooks that you will be using maybe to hang your towels, your cleaning towels. And this is how it looks once that it's installed. Okay, so here is the drawer. As you can see, it's a sliding drawer that you can use very well for tightened spaces. Okay, so here we are putting everything and organizing everything right here, and this way you can find everything and reach very well, because you can pull up the drawer and just take whatever you need right here. Okay, and of course on the top side I will just add some sponges or some lightweight things, because as you can see, it is only hanging from one side of the tubes, but it is really nice to have this upper shelf as well. Here we are using the hooks, as I was telling you, for some towels. And this is the before, and this is the after. As you can see, it looks so much better this way.